What's up, guys? Welcome back to All Wings Everything. Yes, you are back in my kitchen with your boy Spinelli for another easy and delicious recipe. Now, in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make crispy, hot, and spicy chicken tenders. Yes, courtesy of But That Chicken. Yes, they sent me some of their hot and spicy bread mix. So we're gonna test it out, see what it's all about, because we ain't gonna just let anybody come in Spinelli's kitchen talking about they got some hot and spicy. You know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and get to it. Let's not waste no more time. So I hope you're in your kitchen. I'm already in mine, so let's go. All right, so here are the ingredients we're gonna use for this recipe. Very simple, not many ingredients, but what we wanna do is we wanna check out that But That Chicken bread and mix, the hot and spicy version, to see if it really is what they say it is. So we're gonna start out with our But That Chicken bread and mix, the hot and spicy. Guys, I can't wait to try that. I love me some hot and spicy chicken tenders or chicken wings. Man, they're just good. Some seasoned salt, garlic powder. We're gonna use some onion powder, some black pepper, paprika, cayenne pepper, and right here, the star of the show, our boneless chicken breast. So these are ingredients, guys. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I've measured out our ingredients. Let me tell you what I have here. So right here, I have about 1.5 pounds of boneless chicken breast cut up into strips. Right here, I got 1.5 cups of our But That Chicken bread and mix right here, the spicy version. I have 3/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 3/4 teaspoons of garlic powder. I have 1.5 teaspoons of seasoned salt. I have 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. I have 5 tablespoons of our But That Chicken spicy bread mix here, and 1/2 cup of tap water. So these are the ingredients, guys. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys, before we get started, let me talk a little bit about this But That Chicken breading mix. Now, this company did send this mix to me for me to review, and that's exactly what we're gonna do now. Now, one of the things they hang their hat on is that you don't need any egg wash and no additional seasoning for their breading mix. So we're definitely gonna put that to the test. So, like I say, they sent me their hot and spicy here. I got that version, and I also got their, I guess this is considered their original version, just a seasoned mix. I'm definitely gonna try that one too, but I had to start off with that hot and spicy first. I love the packaging. I love everything about how this particular product looks. So I'm expecting nothing but the best quality when it comes to taste. So let's go ahead and continue. All right, guys, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to season our chicken. I know you're saying, but you just said that you don't need any seasoning for this particular recipe. No, I didn't say that. What I said is that you don't need any seasoning for the breading. Me personally, I don't care how seasoned the breading is. I always like to season my meat also because that adds some additional flavor. All right, so we're gonna start off adding our paprika, cayenne pepper, our garlic powder, black pepper, seasoned salt, and our onion powder. And what we're gonna do with this is just give it a good mix. This is what we have. Let's go ahead and continue. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our 5 tablespoons of our But That Chicken spicy bread, sit this in here or pour it in that Tupperware, and take our 1/2 cup of water. We're just gonna put it in there with it, and we're gonna get at a good mix like this. Now, these are the directions that they recommend how to use their product. So I'm not coming up with this here on my own. This is how they recommend it. So we're gonna do what they recommend. That way we can give our honest review on their product and their technique. All right, guys, this is what we have. Let's go ahead and move on. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take our chicken tenders and we're gonna add them to our wet mix like this. Guys, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm gonna go ahead and throw all these in here like that. You know, I don't have no time to be playing no games with no tenders. And I'm just gonna I'm gonna cover it like this. And I'm just gonna shake it up in there like that. Make sure they get coated in that wet mixture. And they are. Take a look at that, guys. Wow. Man, that looks beautiful. All right. So what I'm gonna do now, we're gonna bring our dry mixture back into the mix. And we're gonna take a piece of one of our tenders. And I always like to make sure we get off as much excess of our wet mixture as possible. And then what we're gonna do is we're just going to put it in here like that. Make sure we pack it on there. There you go. That's what we have, guys. And I'm gonna go over from here. I'm gonna go ahead and add these to our basket. I'm gonna do one more wet mixture over to our dry seasoning of flour breading. Pack it on there. And that's what we have. So let me get these babies all coated up, guys, and I will be right back. All right, so all the tenders are completely breaded. Now it's time to drop them in that oil. I've already preheated my oil to 350 degrees, so it is hot and ready. So let's go over here, move over here to the deep fryer. All right, so now we're over here by the deep fryer. Let's go ahead and start dropping them. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna allow these to cook 5 to 7 minutes, but of course, as they start to rise to the top, guys, then that's when we know that we're gonna pull them out, all right? But we're looking for that golden, crispy color. Guys, take a look at that right there. Look at that beautiful color right there. I'm gonna let them sit down here for another, maybe about 45 seconds to a minute, and we should be ready to go. All right, guys, it looks like we are there. Let's take a look at these babies right here, man. Look at that, look at that. Woo! I can't wait to bite into one of these. All right, so let me go ahead and get these on a plate, and your boy will be right back. And there you have it, hot and spicy, extra crispy chicken tenders. And of course, we use But That Chicken's hot and spicy bread and mix. I'm gonna leave the information to this company in the video description below, guys. Go over there, check them out, see what they got. I'm sure you're gonna like their product. Also, for everybody who supported the channel, thank you. Go ahead, pick up that All Wings Everything merch. Check out the new ebook, guys. So until then, let's go ahead and get into quality control because I'm anxious about eating these babies. All right, let's go. All right, so it's time for quality control. This is what everybody has been waiting for, even me, because I want to test out this hot and spicy from But That Chicken. Man, take a look at that plate of chicken tenders. Hey, and they say you don't need any egg wash for their batter or their breading. You don't need any additional seasonings. You just follow the instructions and you got you a good product. So what I did was I have some barbecue sauce, some of that Sweet Baby Ray's here. I did sprinkle it with a little fresh parsley just to give it a little look. But let's go ahead and get into this baby. Matter of fact, I'm not gonna even dip it in the barbecue sauce first. I gotta see how it tastes like this, so. All right, take a look at that. Freshly cooked. They're absolutely right. You don't need any seasoning on this. Man, this is delicious. Dip it in some of this barbecue sauce. Man, Sweet Baby Ray's with that But That Chicken bread mix. Go to that video description below, guys. Go there, check out their information. Go to their website, their IG, whatever information you see in that video description. Go over there, check them out. Support the company. I'm telling you, you're gonna like, if you like hot and spicy, you're gonna like this hot and spicy. I'm gonna get on that regular season, I guess the original. I'm gonna see what that tastes like. But I wanted to get on these hot and spices first. Man, this is delicious. You can also add this to seafood too. I'm gonna definitely use it on some seafood on my red snapper. And I'm definitely gonna try it on my wings too. But God, this is good. One last thing, I know you asked, is it hot and spicy? Yes, it is. Not to the point where it's burning your mouth, but it is there where you can definitely taste it. It's more spicy than some of the other breadings I've tried that said they're hot and spicy. This here is on point. You don't need anything else. So until then, guys, I'm your cook, Spinelli. This is All Wings Everything, and I am out. Peace.